Welcome to episode 1 of trying to get drum brakes off. There goes the other counterweight. Right there. Oh my god, it's moving. Holy shit. Man, I've been knocking on this thing for at least 10 minutes. Come on. Almost. Okay, it feels like the brakes are stuck on. I know the e-brake is not on right now. So something must be wrong. Yeah, that didn't help. Come on. Inch by inch. I must have broke something. Damn. That looks pretty bad. Does that even still work? Damn. That's really not good at all. Oh, there I go, breathing asbestos again. So we've got some very unusual pad wear here. I don't know if that's just how they came. I mean, it looks like it. But there's a ring right around the middle of the drum right there, where it seems like nothing's ever rubbed against it. So I think that's just how they came. But there, you can see a big old crack right there, and they're pretty dirty because there's a, geez, look at all this and all that fell out of it. That's like a sizable pile of rust and brake things that I shouldn't be breathing. And yeah, this really does not look like it actually still functions to me. It was making a scraping noise. So I was trying to figure out what was going on here. I thought one of the springs was broken. They don't look broken, just really worn out. This bad boy. The self-adjuster doesn't even work anymore. cheese.